Here it is, Gen 6 454 that I got from a junkyard. It has a broken crank. Pull it out here. I think there was definitely some debris that went through the crankshaft, throughout the engine. Well, here's the culprit, I bet. Here's the number 2 main cap. There was quite a ridge here. I filed it off earlier, but I'm not sure how much wore. Maybe 15 thou, 10 thou. Not sure if that's savable or not. Might have to get a new cap. So yeah, that's it really with this. Not sure what I'm gonna do with it yet. I really want to find something to build something to test some peanut poured heads that I ported. There's some decent flow numbers on them, so it'd be kind of nice to see how they perform. Anyways, that's that. Just had an idea here, actually. Maybe we can compare these bores with a caliper. See what kind of difference we have. Not a very tight fit, so I'm not sure if that makes it unusable or not. I have to check with the machine shop. I think that's probably good enough for that one, for what we're doing. Alright, got a socket. Yeah, this one has a hot tighter fit. It won't even go in without tapping it like usual. Okay, tighten down, much tighter fit than the one that had the bearing burnout on it. Taking the caliper. Burr there. What do you come up with here? 2.946 roughly. Over here we have 2.938 38 or 39, so 10 thou difference. I don't know what a line one takes out, but also the fact that the cap just falls in there between the groove there. Makes me wonder if that prevents it from being usable also. Let's check this front one, number one. See how that one falls in there. Yeah, that one's a tight fit, so you know what to ask about. Well, it's a tight fit, so it probably don't need to worry about it being usable anyways. This cap here, it number two main cap also has some pretty good heat marks in it. I don't know if we'll be able to see that on the camera, but as you can see, right in there, around the whole edge. There's one other thing I wanted to add. Coming up next is the dyno results from my 100 over 454. So 475. Stay tuned.